Bennett again. Revision time, guys. Let's go. Everybody are deal with. Alright, so people are come on already. You guys ready for CSEC? I can see now. I can put it to the test now. Everybody know the strips go already. But after the thumbnail. As you come on, guys, just hit the like button and make we start work right away, alright? So we're going to start off with fraction, as usual, alright? So my number, people always ask me my number. And we know why, right? People love me teaching. I start off with that one here, guys. Other persons will join, and then we can see what go on, alright? So look so good. And unlike the other times, we'll be timing it now. So it's now 2 minutes since it starts, so we're gonna finish in 3 minutes time. Let's go. No joking. As usual, type the answer in the comment section. You see what going on the brain. Mad thing, you know, peeps. Mad thing, mad thing.
Love to travel.
So the solution will follow, and I'm gonna check back and see who. Guys, this is just to see how ready you are in terms of exam preparation, what you need to do. So this is gonna show you up where you need to be. Alright? So let's go. Don't see no answer offline in the comment section as yet. I don't know what go on. I'm share this with some people, you know, because I don't want nobody to say Mr. Bennett never share it with me. So, you know, upon him live or whatever, people tend to say them things sometimes. Alright, so we have 1 more minute to complete it. You know, see no comment yet, you know, guys. What go on, what go on? Big up my friend, Ricky Simon, math teacher in Carolina. Big up yourself, my G. They're on holiday and him say, Mr. Bennett, I know say I forward on today. So big up, guys. Thanks for the support to everyone. Yeah. You want a normal thing, you know, when you start work on a chicken with a jerk. Alright, so everyone should have completed this by now. Hopefully, that is the case. If you guys fail to do butterfly girl, what's up? What's up? I'm here. Happy to have you on. See, everybody are joining now. I'm mad thing, you know. You know, come on for this today until no battery dead, you know. So, whatever, in no matter how many hours it take, or my battery dead, you come on for this. Alright? So, let's go, guys. Everyone should have completed it by now. If you did the division part first, you are awesome. Alright? So this is a trick question by Cxc. If you had add first, it would have been incorrect. Alright? So 144 plus 1, that's 5 over 4, divided by 1 times 5, that's 5 plus 1, 6 over 5. We know the rule. When we are dividing, we change it to multiplication and we invert. Alright? So that will give us 5, 5, 25 and 4, 6, 24. For this one now, we just say 1 times 3 plus that, that's 4 over 3. So for this part, it works out to 4 over 3 plus this part here, which is 25 over 4, 24 rather. Find the lowest common multiple of 3 and 24, which is 24. 3 to 24 goes 8 times. 4 8 is 32 plus that 1, so we get 25, right? And then now we just say add 32 and 25. Now 2 and 5 give us 7. 3 and that gives us 57 over 24. We can simplify this. Alright, let us do it. So it's 57 over 24. So that goes 2 times. That takes us to 48 and 9 over 24. If you had gotten this for your answer, you are super awesome. Alright? As you come on, guys, just hit the like button. Welcome, Brianna. Oh, your first time here? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Awesome something this, guys. Awesome. Alright? Now it's going to be a normal day. Alright, so we look at a fraction. Now we're going to look at a decimal. Remember, you can always watch the playback. Welcome to your first time. And guys, remember, calculators are allowed. Alright? So get your calculators and we could do some maths today, don't it? So we are going to turn it now Good Friday, you know. Alright, so the next question goes like this. And I'm following how the Cxc set their question, guys. And this one says add this, but guess what? Express answer in standard form. So go ahead and do that. Again, welcome guys, welcome. So it says 0.0529, the square root of that, plus 0.26216, and express your answer in standard form. Come on guys, 2 minutes to go. Let's go. Let's go. As I come on, just hit the like button, guys. Just hit the like button. Alright, so other persons who are struggling can get the benefit of this awesome math teacher. I'm hype thing, but that's what I call myself. Alright? I am awesome. I try to be awesome at all times. Alright, so butterfly is a 4.46. Alright, let's go guys, let's go. Everybody there warm down. So everybody must can come on the line. So 1 more minute and then we go at the answer and then we move on. Guys, if you're not able to complete this in the time given, it means that you need to increase your speed. Someone says butterfly says standard form gives her a little trouble. I'm assuming from your name butterfly it would be a girl, right? I would hate to be calling a man butterfly. So she said that it's giving her a little trouble, but hopefully when I go through the solution, you will catch on to that. All right. All right, guys. So the time is up. So let us proceed. Again, guys, you are allowed to use your calculator. So don't go in exam and try to figure out that with your brain. All right. The calculator is there. Just punch it in. Time is very efficient. You have to be efficient with your time. All right. All right. Butterfly says she one girl. All right. Thank God. Come in and call no man butterfly. So if we work out this and we get 0.23. I'm using my calculator too. And then 0.216. Not even this me add with my brain. We just punch it in my calculator because guess what? Time is important in exam. Alright, when I get it, the final answer is 0.446. Again, it's my brain. No it's calculator, no brain there, so you only use your brain to punch it in. You want to be time efficient, right? Now, standard form must be between 0 and 10. So you can have 1 point something, 2 point something, right? So we're going to take it to the first natural number, which is right here. So our answer would be 4.46 times 10 to the number of places that we moved. Now we move only one place, so we put it to the 1. Next, we need to determine if it's positive or negative. One of the things I always tell my students, and it seems to work, when you multiply this, you're supposed to get back the original, right? So this now would be to the -1. Why? When we are multiplying by a negative index of 10, we go to our left. So we move one place. So right here, we move to our, if we were to multiply by 10, 4.46 by 10, we get 44.6. So that is how you know which, whether positive or negative. You don't have to memorize anything, alright? Alright, let's move on. As again, guys, I'm following the OC setting. Normally set up the questions. So it's one each. Touch and go, guys. Touch and go. If you're having difficulty, join my class. See me number there, link me. Alright? Touch and go. And usually followed by substitution. So let's go. Oh, by the way, guys, these are all past paper questions. Alright, so go ahead and do those. Let's see who can be the first person to complete those. So it's A is equal to -1, B equal 2, C equal -3. Find the value of A plus B plus C. That's the first one. And then B squared minus C squared. If you're just joining and you're just watching for the first time, make sure you're subscribed. Brianna say A equal -2. Alright, what's the value of A plus B? 1 more minute, guys. Let's go, let's go. Alright, butterfly say the first one is second one is negative 5. Alright guys, time is up now. Abigail says negative 5. So negative 5 is a very popular topic answer. So looking forward to that. Now, according to CSEC, most persons get these wrong, and we know because of the sign. Persons tend to mess up the sign. Now it says A is negative 1, so that's negative 1 plus B, which is 2 plus minus 3. Alright? We can add all the negative terms together. Both of them are negative, so we can add them. So negative 1 plus negative 3, that gives us, I could do it that way, so persons can see, right? So this gives us negative 4 plus 2, which is equal to negative 2, right? And that would be our answer. Let us see the second one now. Second one says b squared minus c squared. Alright, so the value of b is 2, so that's 2 squared minus c squared, which is negative 3 squared. Guys, you have to be very careful. Alright? So look at how it's set up now. So 2 squared means 2 multiplied by 2 and negative 3 multiplied by negative 3. I did part by part, you know, guys. I'm not confuse nobody who just join, right? So 2 times 2 is 4, put the minus, and then negative 3 times negative 3, that's positive 9. Alright? But remember, the subtract sign is there, so it's 4 minus 9. Now the 9 is bigger, so we get negative, right? And then 4 from 9 leave 5. Remember, once the signs are different, we subtract. Well done. A number of you had gotten 5, negative 5. Awesome. I remember butterfly. Yes, butterfly. I feel it, I feel it. You got it, you got it. I feel the energy, you know, guys. Today go nice. Alright, remember we say I touch and go, guys. This one is from May 2008. Let us see how well you guys handle this one. It's a little bit different because it has brackets. So I want to try this one. And a total of 3 minutes for this, guys. Let's see who can type it in within the time frame. What you don't want to be in exam. You know what to do, but you don't finish your exam. Or you get a straight A if you can't finish the exam. Come on, guys. Work with Mr. Bennett, man. What I deal with? Have something for help on you know. And notice the numbers are very similar at year time. See, they don't really give you big numbers. They give you some small numbers, alright? Because what they're looking for is the principle rather than if you can multiply big numbers. So try these. Anybody get that one over here, so you're awesome. And this was 2008. I'm going to give you guys an extra minute for that one. That one seems really long, alright? So it says A equal 2, B equal negative 1, C equal 3. And then you get A bracket B plus C, and also 4B squared minus 2AC, A plus B plus C. Let's call the first one A and the next one B. So when you put in your answer, just say A. If a 4 answer, you put 4. If a B at the for B, if a 10 at the answer, you just put B. So differentiate between both of them, right? Abdul, all the way in England. Yeah, check out the Red Other channel too. He just joined. He's in England. Yeah man, yeah man. He's in the UK. He's nearly in bedtime, but still him join. Yeah man, welcome Abdul. Yeah. Crazy work we are doing, Abdul. No matter which country we're there. He's us guys, check out his channel also. He's a math teacher in the UK. I don't see any answers coming in as yet. The time is almost up. What's going on, guys? We don't know how to expand. Substitute, then expand. Same thing, right? A equal to B equal -1. Second one, butterfly says she got -4. Alright. Yeah man, big up from all the way in the UK. Damon Ein say A equal 4. Alright. You can see then now. What about B? Happy to have everyone joining in. More people are coming on, you know, guys. I'm wanting this today, you know. One question each from each topic. So you can identify your weak areas, you can identify your strengths, and we can work towards that. We have 20 odd days, alright? Alright, so time is up now, guys. If you didn't get the chance, it means you need to work a little bit faster, alright? So A is equal to 2, so we put 2, bracket. Bracket means to what? Multiply. So that's -1 plus C, which is +3. We work out the bracket first. -3 is the same as -3 plus 3 same as 3 minus 1. So that's 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So yes, guys, you were indeed correct. What about 4b squared minus 2ac divided by a plus b plus c? Let's work out this one now. So we know that b squared means b times b. So we put 4 bracket. B is -1. So that's -1 squared minus 2 times A. A is 2 times C, which is 3. So we don't do the maths yet. We're only setting it out, right? And then we have A plus B. So that's 2 plus -1 plus 3. Alright? Let's work out the top. So -1 squared, this number squared gives us +1. And 4 times 1 is 4. So this b, 4b squared, work out to be 1, right? Minus 2 times 2, that's 4. 3 4s 12. Divided by 2 plus 1, that's 1. 1 plus 3, that is 4. Alright? Let's see if everyone agrees. This is positive and this is positive. We add both of them, we get 5. 5 minus 1, that's 4. Alright? -12. So this gives us 4 minus 12 gives us -8 divided by 4. A negative divided by a positive gives us -2. So therefore it's -2. I did not see any -2. What go on with my students them, man? Oh, Abigail get -2. Life with Paris says 0.5. Yeah, well done, well done. Alright guys, as you say, a touch on going on. So we do one of this, we're going to look at another one. So this particular video is to identify your weak areas so we can strengthen them for exam. Just like with my marathon, I took different questions and feel out my students' weakness and then we work on that. Nothing is wrong with that, alright? Alright, so next question up on the board now is very easy. expressed as a simple fraction. Students love these. Alright? And there are two different types, so we're going to check them out. So we have 2k over 3 plus 2 minus k over 5. And this one was 2015, the year 2015. So go ahead, guys, express that as a single fraction. I remember we did it in a timely manner. We don't have all long day to complete it because Cxc will not give you the entire day to complete it. So Mr. Benny cannot give you the entire day also. Alright, we are working on preparing towards Cxc. One more minute, guys. Type in your answer fast so you can make it in time, alright? Push yourself at all times. You have to push yourself, right? Just like an athlete, each time he has to push himself when he go to training. You know, try run 10 seconds every day, you try run 9. So it's the same thing with maths. You're trying to do the maths faster and accurate each time. That is why practice comes into play. Alright, Abigail says 7k plus 6 over 15. Abdul says 16 minus 3k over 15. So we have a difference in Abigail. Put a smile. It's a good day, it's a good day, it's a good Friday. Alright guys, so the time has elapsed in which you should have completed it. Let us proceed. Alright. These can be a little bit tricky, however, they are not hard. Alright, we approach it just like a regular fraction. Once you're adding and subtracting, we bring them to a common denominator, right? The lowest number that 3 and 5 can go into would be 15, and from there is k quark. 3 into 15 goes 5 times, so we multiply 5 times 2k. And that will give us 10k. We would love to have now in our pocket. 10k US, right? 5 into 15 goes 3 times. So 3 times 2, we expand the bracket. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times that it will give us minus 3k, right? So now we're going to group the like terms. So we're going to bring all the k's together. So the 10k minus 3k plus 6 over 15, right? 10k minus that will give us 7k plus 6, and we maintain the denominator, which is 15. Alright? So thanks guys for the response. Stephanie Williamson says she got the last part wrong. Remember, we are multiplying a positive times a negative, so 3 times 2, that's 6. But 3 times negative k would give us negative 3k. A common error, students will want to change the negative 3k when you grouping. Remember, there's no equal sign. So we're just expressing as a single fraction. So we do not take the negative 3k and put plus. Butterfly again. Alright, so butterfly got that one correct also. Alright, so let's go look at another type now. Guys, remember, this is a touch and go video. So we're touching every topic, alright? Same instruction, expressed as a single fraction. 99% of you will get this incorrect. I'm not asking, I'm telling you. So we have 3 over x plus 1 minus 2. I can put the numbers bright the minus here so persons can see it. Alright, so go ahead and do that one now, guys. And for the newcomers, welcome, welcome, welcome. Alright? So Bennett is happy to have you all here. All of you. As I say, guys, this is a revision, but it's teaching at the same time. So all the stuff that you don't know is actually teaching you to do that at the same time while we are revising. Isn't Mr. Bennett awesome? Yeah, I agree. He is. I forgive that to him. I forgive it to him. So 1 more minute and then we do the solution. For the persons who are watching the playback, ensure that you are doing the actual questions before me. Alright? It don't make sense to watch it before you attempt the question. So you attempt it first, see your error, or if I make any error, I'll answer for it. Alright? It's a team thing. It's not a one-man show thing. Watching the video alone, it won't help. Stanley Williamson said rough. So more than 1 minute. Alright. Someone say give us more than 1 minute. Alright, 1.5 minutes. That's more than one. Oh guys, if you're just joining, you can hit the like button please, so you can share it to other people who are struggling in maths also. Alright? What people are struggling now? Only 41% passed last year. Yet other number of persons who got distinction. So what that show you say? It no matter the low pass rate, we are dig out it down. And we are putting in work in and a feeling win. I'm still not seeing any comment. I guess you guys are struggling with this. What if this comes on the paper? You guys would leave it out? No man, you don't do that. Not when you're a part of Mr. Bennett's subscriber. You can't leave it out. Everything you have you can do on the paper there, you know. Alright? So this is what we do, guys. We find the LCM, but what is the LCM? We can use these as the LCM. So it will be x plus 1 times x minus 2. Right? And then now we divide this into this. Now if we divide this into this will go gone, right? And leave this. So we're going to have x minus 2. And we expand the bracket now. So it will be 3 times x, that's 3x. 3 times negative 2, that's negative 6. Now we finish with that bracket here. And this is where you get real tricky. Onto this bracket now. So this would cancel out this. So that's to leave x plus 1. But remember guys, this is a negative, right? So we're multiplying by negative 2. So negative 2 times x, that's negative 2x. And negative 2 times that would be minus 2. So you have to be careful of the sign. Group the like terms now. So it would be 3x minus 2x minus 6 minus 2. All the signs that are in front of it, we maintain it. Negative, negative, negative. Negative, negative. Alright? And then the LCM remains the same. Then now group, we can do the maths. 3x minus that will give us x. Negative 2, negative 6 minus 2, that will give us negative 8. Alright? And then now we maintain the LCM, which is x plus 1 and x minus 2. So unfortunately you guys did not know how to do that. I hope it becomes a little bit clearer. So it can be real tricky guys, real tricky. Shakira say it ground saying our brain our work. That is good. Good job man. She said our brain our work. That is good. Awesome. Alright. For the persons who didn't get it, let's just do another one. Alright, so we're gonna squeeze it in. Chemist Sadachi get. Chemist Junior, right? Well done, well done. Let us try another one. Since as persons I say, boy, them never get it, but them think them get it now. Make us see now. That one here interesting now. So it's 5 over x minus 2 minus 3 over x minus 5. Let's see how you guys approach that one. Yeah man, more people are turn up, man. That is good. Thanks for the persons who like it, because when you like it, YouTube recommend it to somebody who might look doing maths and so forth. Alright? Alright, so we have 2 minutes to complete that. For the persons who watching the playback, you can hit the like button, never this just the same, alright? One more minute now, guys. Let's go, let's go. Put in the work, put in the work. Once you put in the work, the only thing CC can do is give you your grade, make you pass. That's all. Thanks for the likes, guys. Thanks for the likes. Alright, so you should have completed it now. And 2x minus 31, x over that. I see 2x minus 19. What about the others? Chemists, where are you? Come guys, push yourself, alright? Speed matters in maths. A lot of teachers don't tell you that, but the speed matters. This is why you have to practice. Alright, I'm giving you guys 30 more seconds to complete it, alright? Stanley Williamson said no understand. Alright, hopefully the next one. Chemistry, I taught that in class the other day. Yes, I did. Oh, the last part. Alright, we're going to fix that. If you understand the first part and not the last part, we can fix that one. Alright? Just a continue working, guys, and a chicken we are dirt, right? Alright, so again, we find the LCM, which is both of them. So that's x minus 2 and x minus 5. And then we just cancel out this, so that I will leave x minus 5, right? So we just multiply 5x times that, 5 times that, that will give us 5x. 5 times negative 5 will give us negative 25. Careful of the sign, guys. Careful. Alright, this now into this is going to leave x minus 2. So multiplying this by x minus 2. So negative 3 times that will give us negative 3x. Negative 3 times this will give us positive 6 rather. And negative times a negative will give us positive. So when I put the 19, I see where you get the 19. Alright? So it's 5x minus 3x minus 25 plus 6 over x minus 2 times x minus 5. So we simplify now. 5 minus 3, that is 2. Negative, that will give us negative 19. Why we subtract? The signs are different. So we subtract and keep the sign of the bigger one. Alright? So 2x minus 19, that was indeed correct. I remember someone put that in. Very good. Well done. Alright. Dave and Day. Alright. Big up Dave and Day. Man, I don't like pay money, you know. Dave and Day not give me money for the I'm saying anything, but I want you, man. Alright, guys. So now we're on to simplify again, but this one is a different type. Remember, we are touch and go. This is to identify weak areas. After today, you know your weak areas, alright? This is another, let me see which year this one came. And I'm gonna do two type. This was January 2015. So this was a January paper. Everyone should be able to get this though. And remember the instruction, simplify. Let's go. Simplify that, guys. I should try write the instruction. So just somebody just joining. You can know what going down. Answer in the next minute. So let me put the next one same time. And this one is January 2011. And this one says 7p times 2p. So I do both of them. I'm going to give you 4 minutes to do both of them. Alright, let's go, guys. Let's go. Alright, Mills done already. P4, Q7. Dave and Dave. Send on the money, man. Where you deal with, man? One more minute, guys. Let's go. What if I answer flying, you know? 14p7 that 14p7 q4. That are the answer, you know. Second one. Mills. I'm going to see one star for Mills. Where are the Alright, so let us do the both of them. The time has elapsed. Can't get the same thing. Alright, so very good, guys. I see you guys are good at this. So see you come with this and I'm going to shut it down. Alright, this is called of indices. Once the base is the same, we add the powers. Alright, so this is going to be p to the 1. So it will be 3 plus 1 and 2 plus 5. Alright, so this will give us p to the 4th and q to the 7th. And you guys are indeed correct. This one is a little bit different. First we say 7 times 2. This is how my 10th graders do it. P to the 5, I love that. So I teach them style, and then q to the 3 plus 1. So them kind of separate it and then bring it all back together, which which is 14p7q4. Awesome job, guys. Everyone that type was able to get it. If you did not get it, hopefully you learned from it. Alright, so this one is going to be a little bit more challenging. Hit the like button as a command, peeps. Hit the like button as a command. Alright, no joking. You want to join my class? You know what to do. Alert me, 5492161. Alright, so this one now, simplify again, but this time it is division. So we get, and this was the year May 2007, so 5p divided by 3q upon 4p squared over q, and this was 2007. Go ahead and do that one, guys. Let's see what's happening in that brain of you guys. Remember, this is a division. Pretty it up. Big up my subscribers, them. Yeah, big up everybody. Yeah. Stanley, you get it, man. Good job. Butterfly, up again. Whoop, whoop. Alright. Thanks for the comments, guys. I see the comments coming in. 5 over 12p. Someone says 5p over 12qp square. So you can please explain it slow. Alright, Carl. No problem, man. We're going to explain it slow. Remember, you know, guys, this is for you to learn. It's not about a race or anything. It's for you to learn. So even if we have to do our next one, I have no problem doing it. Alright? We go Pretty Simon, my brother from college, up in the foreigner teach. Big up yourself, my bro. Happy to have you on. One love, you know? Yeah. Alright, so this says, someone said they forgot to reduce it then. Alright, so let us look at it. Just as when we are dividing a fraction, we have to invert the last one. It's the same procedure, right? So we keep the first one. That's what my 7th graders taught me. Keep, change, and flip. So q go up there, so, and then we have 4p squared. Now we cancel out. Q can go into q one time. So we have the 3 there, so p into this 1 and p into this leave 1, right? And then now we say 5 times 1, because that will be 5, so that's 5. And this now, 3 times 4 would be 12p. And that's all that answer. Very good. So it will be 5 over 12p. As a command, hit the like button, guys. If you are watching playback and you forget to like it, like it. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. We don't know what to do. Alright? One more, guys. One more. And this one is January 2010. Don't forget to hit the like button, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button. We want the video to reach as many persons as possible. Once they're interested in a math, them can learn, alright? No selfish thing around here. Matter of fact, I only can share this on the channel right now, on the something right now. It's WhatsApp status. Try that one. 2 minutes. 4x squared times 3x to the 4th divided by 3x to the 3rd. Alright? Thanks for the likes, guys. Thanks for the likes. Khan, I hope you got that one. So we change the sign to multiplication, but we invert the last fraction. A common error, students say them don't remember which one to something there. Which one to flip or invert. It's the last one, alright? What's the weather like on your side? It looks like it's about to rain here. What's the weather where you are? A matter of fact, represent where you're from. Alright, 30 more seconds, guys, and then we see the answer. Alright, so we get 4 times 3 times 6 life. 4 times 3. I see everybody put in 4 times 3. 4 to the 3rd power. Oh, that's what I mean. 4 to the 3rd power. Okay. The internet is slow. Rain is slow on the internet. Alright, guys, so we typically work the top first and then we divide, right? So 4 times 3, that's 12. X to the 2, we add the powers, right? And then we divide by this. So first we could do the top, so that gives us 2 plus 4, that is 6. Divide by 3. Now 3 into 3, 1. 3 into 4, 12, 4. So we get the 4 there. Now we just subtract. Because the base is the same, we subtract. We don't divide 6 by 3, but we subtract 3. So we get x to the 3rd. So that will give us x to the 3rd. Well done, guys. Well done. I see you guys following the rule, which is awesome. Alright, next one we have is change the subject of the formula, and then we move on to another one. Alright, guys, remember you can always join my class if you have any difficulty and you want to do a complete. If you want a straight A, link me. Simple. Some group name, straight A. And this one says make, I'm going to see who can get that one here, right? Make K the subject of the formula. So go ahead and do this one, guys. Make K the subject of the formula. You have 3 minutes to do that. The time is clicking. man, viewers, welcome. I see more and more people coming on. It's a good sign. Everybody there home, though. Everybody who have Wi-Fi is supposed to depend on this, because a phone no listen, don't it? No joke thing around here. We are got hard and done. We're not doing a reset, no, so we're not making a reset. One time we had the C and done it. That's it. So it says make K the subject of the formula. You have 2 minutes to complete that left. I gave you guys 3 minutes. You should be able to complete it in that time, alright? Guys, don't forget to share so others can be a part of it, alright? Ain't nothing wrong with that. Oh, Dave and say up on the road, him depend and see the notification. Okay. Alright, someone says K is equal to 2tq plus r. Can't find the square root sign. Okay, so you say the square all over the square root. Yeah, man, you can put it in the words. Well done. Yeah, man, that's okay. You can just say all over the square root or all under the square root. So we know exactly what I want. Alright, so let's proceed now. So I'm going to try color code it so persons can see it for the first time. I'm going to use blue to show the steps. Alright, so first we get rid of this positive 2t, but it's still being divided. So the opposite of divide is times. So we multiply by 2t. Alright, so anything we do to one side, we do to both sides. So this will give us 2tq is equal to k squared minus r. Next, we get rid of the r, right? It's like bad company, you know. We want to get rid of r like bad company, then 1. So we get rid of this. Anything we do to one side, we do to both sides, alright? So this is 2tq plus r, alright? We added r over here, so we have to add r over here. And then now we get k squared. Alright, so now k squared was the opposite of square, and that would be square root. So we find the square root of this, and that will leave k. So all in end, we get the square root of 2tq plus r is equal to k. And that's how we make k the subject of the formula. Well done, guys, well done. I know you didn't have the sign, but well done nevertheless. Alright. Alright, guys, on to another question. This one, I did a live on this, so I'm expecting everyone, I did a live just the other day with this. I'm expecting everyone to be able to do this right away, alright? 3 different types. Guys, make sure you not book a right, you know. You always watch the playback still, but make sure you're not right. Take notes. Now I get more notes today than I want to get for you whole year now in the class, you know. Alright, so this is factorize completely. As I said, I did live with this, so everyone should be able to get these quick. This one was May 2015. This one was January 2015. So that's the May, and then we have the January. And then now we have this one also. Very interesting questions, you know. I'm gonna give you guys about a good little time to do these. So that's 6 minutes, 2 minutes each, alright? Thanks for the likes, guys. Thanks for the like. Keep them coming, keep them coming. So we need to appreciate them, you know. Yeah, man. When I get the likes to come and say me not do nothing. So it's gonna discourage me a bit, you know. So just go and like, man. Just go and like. Alright, so we're gonna give you 6 minutes, so 5 minutes remaining, and then we'll look at them, alright? Big up, guys, big up. A lot of persons can't afford tutoring, so you know what we have to do, right? We have to do it so other people who don't have money can learn just the same. We're not biased and I say, oh, why everybody come on my class, you know, make you make money. No, Mr. Bennett, you see like that. Learning is for everyone. Everyone's supposed to can get them job, don't it? Yeah. So that's what I'm about. I'm gonna help all who can and all who want the help. 4 minutes remaining. Alright guys, see the answers are flying. Still have 2 more minutes. M minus 2n, m plus 2n. Big up, big up, big up. G plus a and x minus 2y. Alright. Everybody sharp today, you know. Holiday on the dep one. Still have put in the work, so respect to everyone who forward in. Yeah? So you're there for your holiday break, but we have to maximize the time, right? I don't want to feel that this year, you know. Alright, so we take out the a because a is common to both. So we take out a. A into this leave a square and that minus 12. And that will be our answer. Alright. For this one now, it's a difference of 2 square. Very cute one, in fact. Right? What number we multiply by itself to give us m squared? That will be m, right? So we put m on either side. And my sister, some money depend on the live when I do this the other night, you know. And the square root of 4 would be 2n. A 4n squared, that's 2n. So 1 should be plus and 1 minus. Very good. Awesome job. This one now is factorized by grouping. So guys, we just look what common and from each bracket, alright? Alright, so you get the same thing as Shakilia. That means it's correct. Good job, guys. Alright, so we take out the highest common factor, which is 3, right? 3 into that leave x, 3 into that leave minus 2y. Right? So on to the next bracket. A is common, so we take out A. A into that leave x, and x is gonna come out of this, so it leave minus 2y. So these two are common, so we take them out, so it's x minus 2y, and what's outside, which is these two, 3 plus a, and that would be our answer. Well done. One of them that I didn't see, I'm gonna look for one of those and see how you guys handle that one in particular. Alright. So very good job, guys, very good. Can't wait to celebrate with you guys. I don't know how to link me back still. But big up, man. Alright, so one more factorization. Go ahead and do this one, guys. 3 minutes for that one also. Let's go. Big up everybody upon the live, whether you are my student or no matter which country they are my student, see me, don't it? Yeah. You don't have to be an official teacher for teacher, no sir. Where that I go? One love we are dealing with, one love. Work we are put in all day today, no guys. Work we are put in. So once you're upon the live, you just know say work. Work we are work. Alright? Two more minutes. Still not seen an answer coming yet though. Let's see. Alright, butterfly says she get headache. I never know say butterfly can get headache. Big up butterfly, big up. Alright, someone says x bracket 2 square minus 15. Guys, I have to go teach you that one here, I have to go do more than one of that, this, you know. Guys, you never saw me up on the live, I do them here with you. What I do with man, I just know go on my channel. And if you go and go watch, man. A crazy past paper upon it, you know, guys. Over 500 videos. Maths, English, every subject. Alright, so we're going to do more than one of this. So we're going to do one after this. I'm going to go through very slowly. We're going to see one right answer coming, guys. We don't have to go watch back the play back there, alright? I'm a principal is at 9 that night, then I'm a vice principal. Everybody are cheer me on, you know, guys. That's where I get my energy from. You guys have to give me energy too by sharing with other kids. Alright? That's how my dream is to help everyone around the world. Once they want the help. Alright, so the first thing, we say A, B, C. Call this a factor method, right? So what we do, we multiply A times C, and write down this is the rule. And then, so it will be 2x squared, which is A, times C, which is negative 15. We go back to primary school. This will be negative 30x squared, right? So now, after we get the product, we list all the factors of 30. And we know factors are what? Because we go primary school or prep. Some only go prep though. All these I'm going on. Parents couldn't afford prep. So all of these numbers, when you multiply them, it give you 30. So from this set of numbers, you're gonna look and see which one of them you can manipulate to give you -1. Is it 1 and 30? Is it 2 and 15? Is it 3 and 10? Or is it 5 and 6? Abigail, nothing can go so. Must can do what I say here. Alright, butterfly girl say 5 times 6. Miss Williamson say too fast. Alright, we could just retract. So first we'll multiply A times C. That's the rule. Rule number 1. Label it ABC. Rule number 2. Multiply A times C. It doesn't matter what, you're just gonna multiply A times C. After you get the product or the answer, which is 2 times 15, we get 30, right? Next, we list all the factors of 30. So everything we can give it 30. 1 times 30, 2 times 15. All of them here are 30, you know, guys. Back to primary school, right? And 5 times 6. So from these factors now, we see which pair we can manipulate to give us 1. Okay, look at it. If we should manipulate 30 and that, 30 plus 1, that's 31. 30 minus that, that's 29. So we can't use that because we need to get 1, right? 2 plus 15, that is 17. 15 minus 2, that is 13. 3 and 10, 13. When we add, subtract, we get 7. 5 and 6, 11. 6 minus 5, 1. So from this, we can see this one, this pair. 5 and 6 give us it, right? So now we're going to set it up in such a way that we get -1. If we have 5 and 6, or we can manipulate it. Rajas said 2x plus 5, x minus 15. Oh, Abby said first live she watched. Alright, Abby, there are many lives, man. Let's go back, man. Topic by topic and share it down, alright? And make sure you like the video then. Yeah, so that would be 5 and 6, right? So -6 plus 5 would give us -1. So we can use, we're going to replace this with -6x and 5x because the value is the same. So we have 2x squared. I'm going to color code it. -6x plus 5x minus 15. This right here is the same as -1. If we should say -6 plus 5, that's -1. So the sign is very important. It's not just about getting 1. Also, we must get -1, alright? So we bracket them off now. And then we take out the highest common factor. The highest common factor. Hit the like button, guys. If you're just joining, alright? And then now, we take out the highest common factor. What's the highest number can go into 2 and 6? Somebody type that in. 2, right? And then x. Now we can divide now. So we divide 2x squared by 2x, and that leaves x. 2x into 6x leave 3. So for this part, we get 2x bracket x minus 3. Then we go on to the next bracket. Go put your sign first. The sign never change. Whether here, so it's going to be constant, right? So if ask yourself now what's the highest number, can go into 5 and 15 without a remainder. Somebody type in that. What's the highest number, can go into 5 and 15 without a remainder. Somebody type that in for me, please. 5. All right. Lorraine say good afternoon. Good afternoon, Lorraine. Mary Khan. Oh, 3 if you go in a 5. 3 can't go in a 5, Mary Khan, man. All right, so that's 5. So we take out the 5, and then we do the same thing. We divide both by 5. And guys, remember, if you check out my earlier videos on this, I did an entire video on this topic. So just go and mouse through and sort it out. All right, 5 into that leave x, And 5 into 15 goes 3. So what we have now, if you notice, we have two things that is same thing that is common to both brackets, right? X minus 3 and x minus 3. So all we have to do is just write x minus 3 and 2x, what is outside? 2x plus 5. And that would be our answer. And if we were to expand the bracket, which is multiply x minus 3 times 2x plus 5, we get the same thing, which is up here. So it's like factorization is the inverse of expansion. I've never heard a mathematician say that, but I'm saying that, right? Because if we should expand the bracket, we get this. So I would say one is an inverse of the other. But since as you guys struggle so much and you did not watch the entire video, oh, Mary Khan, so she got that. Mary Khan got that. Very good. So I'm going to give you guys one more, and the first person to type it in, let's see if you get it completely. It's a lot of work, guys, but I did have entire live on that topic alone, so you guys can definitely go back and check that out. Also did one on simultaneous equation, which was a request. So go and check out all of those. I'm constantly uploading videos. So by the time Cxc will come around, make sure you watch off all of my videos. A joke, it's impossible to watch all my videos, guys. It's impossible. Over 500 videos, alright? Watch as many as possible. Alright, so I want you guys to figure out this one now. Try factorize this one. So it's 2x squared plus 8x minus 10. And if you want to be a part of my class, my number is on the board. People always, after my life, contact me and say, sir, I need to be a part of your fabulous class. Fine, I have space. You guys can take my number. For those who want, you can take off my number and alert me, alright? 549-2161. Area code 876. You know we are Jamaican, don't? Yeah. But we teach everybody. No matter if you come from Trinidad. As a matter of fact, Trinidad is the second most country that watch my videos. Along with USA, Grenada, Guyana, and some others. So hopefully everyone can be a part of this. I welcome everyone, wherever you are from. One goal, which is to get one in Cxc, alright? So complete that one, guys. I'm not even rushing you guys because some of you didn't know to do that one. But complete it, type in the answer, and then I'll go through it slowly, alright? Oh, welcome new subscribers. You have found an awesome channel. Thank God you found this before exam. Crazy work we have put in. Alright, I see answers coming in, which is a very good sign. And it's x plus 5 and 2x minus 2. So, Khan says that. Breground said that. Zoe Evans, welcome Zoe. From in the Bahamas, right? Yeah, man. Happy to have you on, Zoe. Zoe large. You know the thing go. Alright? Because I have so many classes, I don't normally know when I go live. You see, like I get at some time. For today, I don't have any scheduled class, so I'm gonna go back live later. Tomorrow I have classes all day. Sunday I have classes all day. So Monday, but normally I will go on same way. Even if I can't stay long, once I find the energy and persons come on, I will go on. That's the energy. I work off of energy too. So even if I'm tired, most times in the evening. Lorraine says the first year watch me live. Welcome man, welcome. Crazy lives me doing now guys. Crazy lives. I don't know how people not big me up over pink quality and make other people can know what I'm going. If me not do be a foolishness, me not over pink quality long time. Oh yeah, good idea. Put on your notification, man. That's what my students do, right? So whenever I'm live, it give you a little signal and say, Big on says first timer. Welcome man. I'm mad thing, you know. I not see Zoom today. I do it from Grenada. I'm in a grade 10, but he's mad in a month. He's always there from my life there. I don't know what I'm to you. I call him WhatsApp. I go WhatsApp him. You know. WhatsApp Zoom. It's the next mathematician that from Grenada. He always come on to come to work. I mean a grade 10, but he's a hard worker, man. He's a very hard worker. Oh, he might fly kite. I'm not kite time no man. Although he have one more year, but trust me, that boy is gonna get a distinction. Alright, so we are going through the solution here, and then we move on a bit and see how we can something there. And guys, remember, you can always watch back the playback. Alright? So, first we deal with ABC. I'll multiply A times C, which is 2x squared times negative 10. So that will give us negative 20x squared. So that's 1 times 20. This are all the factors. 2 times 10. 4 times 5. Right? And we can see that 2 and 10. We can manipulate 2 and 10 to give us 8. Because the bigger term we want to find. Right? And then now we say now we replace 8 with 10 minus 2, because that's the only way you can get a positive 8 is if the 10 bigger, right? So it's 2x squared plus 10x minus 2x, which is the same value as 8 minus 10. Draw a bracket now and we this. Alright, so we take out the highest common factor, which is 2. Take out the x, because x in this, x in that. 2x into that, leave x. 2x, 10x, let me just do that part here, divided by 2x is equal to 5, right? The x is going to cancel the x. Put the minus, as I say, whatever sign there, it's golden. You don't change the sign. And then now we say, what's the highest number? Can go into 2 and 10, and that would be 2. And then now we divide both of them by 2. Oh, guys, alright? And then 2 into that, leave x. And negative 10 divided by negative 2, that's going to give us a positive 5. Alright? So we get x plus 5 and 2x minus 2. Some of you guys learned so fast. I saw that answer. Very good. Alright? So let's move on to another topic, guys. Which is one of what I was saying about I did a live on, and it's simultaneous equation. Where's butterfly? Alright, so on to solve this one now. And this one is May 2010. And it says 2x plus y. Again, guys, I did an entire live on this, so you guys can go back and check out that, alright? So 2x plus y is equal to 7, and x minus 2y is equal to 1. Have fun with that one. You always can go back and the playback. I think we did that one sometime last week. That was a popular request. Oh, square root. So equals to square root for other equals to 1. First timers, welcome. Happy to have you here also. You know the thing goes, Mr. Benny, don't it? Put the comment in that one, guys. Remember part 2 later, we're just gonna continue later from where we left off here, alright? X equal 3 and y equal 1. Alright? And that's from butterfly. Butterfly, butterfly. Alright, card also say x equal 3 and y equal 1. So butterfly, you have company. One minute and then we do the solution. Butterfly, you move rough, man. You're not soft. That is good. That is good. Alright. Alright. New subscriber, welcome. Alright. So guys, we're gonna look at, as I said, this is already on my channel. Tons of them, worded ones also. You guys just have to type in my name, Lennox Bennett, and then the topic, and you're good. Alright? So we're gonna multiply, we're gonna get rid of y because we have negative and a positive. So if we add them, we can get rid of them. So we're gonna get rid of 2, multiply by 2 and 1 rather. Alright, so multiply everything by 2, not just the y, but everything. And why we do that? To bring the coefficient of y to be the same. As I say, guys, I have about 8 videos on this. So 2 times that, 4x, 2 times that, 2y, and 2 times 7, 14. Then we multiply everything by 1 now. 1 times x, x. 1 times negative 2y, negative 2y, and that's why we do it. And 1 times 1, 1. So now we can add and we will get rid of the y. So once we add, we're going to eliminate y. So we add it. So everything we have to add in now. So that'll be 4x plus x plus 2y plus minus 2y is equal to 14 plus 1. Notice everything plus, right? 14, all the like terms are added. So 4x plus x, that's 5x. 2y plus negative 2y, that will give us 0. And that's why we do all of that. So we can get y to be 0. The Americans will say a big fat nothing. And then 14 plus 1 is 15. So we have 5x equal 15. This is saying 5 times what can give you 15, right? And that would be 3. So you guys are indeed correct. X is equal to 3. And then you do the same thing now, which is to substitute the value. We're going to use equation 1. So we use 2x plus y equals 7. We know the value of x to be 3. So we say replace x with 3. So put 3 there now and then solve for it. We have one unknown, which is y, and we solve for that. 2 times 3, 6 plus y. This is saying 6 plus what give you 7? And that would be 6. 1, right? So you guys are indeed correct, which is x equal 3 and y equal 1. I'm so proud of you guys. You guys are awesome. I'm going to give you guys one more simultaneous equation and then we move on to another topic. Alright? Very good, you guys. And this one is one of the more recent one, which is 2014. Good job, guys. Great job. So try this one. I'm going to see who. Everyone seems to can do it. Who can get it first? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Who can be the first to type in that? 3x minus 2y equal 10 and 2x plus 5y equal 13. Let me clear the board now. Everyone's supposed to finish writing off that. And you can always watch the playback, guys, alright? I work where I work and a chicken where I jerk. So always find the time to do your work. Someone says butterfly is x equal 4, y equal 1. Alright, can't say the same thing. So it must write, because if two I say the same thing, you have to write, you know. More subscribers, big up new subscribers. Welcome, welcome. A mad thing, you know. We have maths, physics, chemistry, bio, TD, food and nutrition, clothing and textile, geography, information technology. Everything there, man. Everything there. You won't regret subscribing. Alright? Alright. So let us look at this one. I'm expecting x equal 4 based on my you subscribers who said that's the answer. I believe you guys. X equal 4 and y equal 1. So let's work it out. This time I'm gonna get rid of the x, because some people might say why may I get rid of all the y. So we're gonna multiply by 2 and by 3. Why we do that? Is the coefficient. 2 times 3 is 6 and 3 times 2 is 6. If we want them to be the same, that's what we have to do. Alright, so we're going to multiply everything by 2 in this equation 1. And for equation 2, we multiply everything by 3. So everything by 2, so 2 times 3, that's 6x. 2 times negative is negative 4y. 2 times 10, 20. And then now we multiply by 3. So 3 times 2, that's 6x. And see, that is why we do it now, guys. We get both of these to be the same. Alright? So make a note of that. 3 times 5, that's 15y. And 3 times that will give us 39. Alright. Now the signs are the same. So if we have 6x and 6x, what sign we can put in the middle to get rid of x? And that would be to subtract. So if we have 6x and 6x, I want to get it to be 0, minus, right? So I have to put minus for all, not just one, but for all. Alright? Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and subtract each one of them. Alright, each like terms. So it would be 6x minus 6x. Oh, this is minus 4y minus 15y. And then this is going to be 20 minus 39. Alright, so now we have, this is going to give us 0, because that's why we're multiplying in the first place. This is going to give us negative 19y, and 20 minus 39 will give us negative 19. So now all we have to do, just divide by negative 19, forget x alone. Anything we do to 1, we do to r. So therefore, y is equal to 1, because 19 divided by 19 is 1. And then we can go ahead now and substitute. I'm going to use equation 2 because it's positive. I like positive numbers because students struggle with it. The negative. So I'll stick to the negative. And now we're going to substitute y. A common error, students will put y 1 for x, which is a y you find. So make sure you know what you find, alright? So 1, and that's 13. So that gives us 5 times 1, that is 5, and that equals 13. So what we do now is subtract 5 from both sides. And that gives us 8. And then we divide. What number times 2 give you 8? And that x is equal to 4. And that would be your answer. Alright? So well done, guys. Number of persons were able to get it. You guys can always watch the playback, try to increase your speed and all of that. Alright? The next one we have on the list is binary operations. And everyone loves binary operation. Do remember to share with your friends, guys. It's to share with their friends, to share with their friends. So everyone can pass this year. one or two person are pass, you know. Alright, this one is easy. Let's put the topic. A lot of persons used to say them leave out this until them see it on my channel. Alright? So leave it out no more. A asterisk B is equal to A plus B squared. This one is long one. Minus 2AB. And then now it says calculate the value. I'm going to give you guys 3 minutes to do this. Calculate 3 asterisk 4. Alright, so they gave you the rule and then they gave you that. So it's 3 asterisk 4. Leave that in the comment section. I'm going to give you 4 minutes. It seems pretty long. 4 minutes. Let's go. New subscribers, welcome, welcome, and welcome. Let's go. Part 2, I'll come up later, you know. And guys, do remember we started an hour ago, so you guys can watch the playback definitely. Chrissy Boo, wow, what a name! Was me all married and me say Chrissy Boo, and my wife hear that. Barrett says 25. Butterfly says 25. Awesome. If that both of you get the same answer, that is very encouraging. Khan says 142. Alright, we still have time, so you guys can double check to see if you make the error or you are correct or someone else incorrect. Alright, thanks for the like. Somebody else just hit the like button. Big up, big up, big up. Welcome, welcome. Brianna Melbourne says 25. So Khan, it seems like you're on your own with that 142. Not sure what went wrong, but it seems like you're on your own with that. Alright, so in 1 minute time, oh, can't say you make a mistake. Grigon, I call you by your first name. Shalika says 25. I can't understand that GROD something there. That reminds me of a footballer from France. Are you from France, Grigon? That's how they pronounce his name. Alright, so let us work it out. For the persons who don't know, all this is saying A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 4. We're going to do one more of this. Alright, so A would be 3. So anywhere we see A, we're going to replace it, and for B is 4. Alright, so the rule says A plus B, which is 3 plus 4 square minus 2 times 3 times 4. Alright? Work the bracket first. 3 plus 4 is 7. Square it. 2, 3, 6. 6, 4 is 24. So this now would give us 7 times 7, 49, minus 24. And 25 is indeed correct. Well done, guys. Well done. Alright. Butterfly gone. She fly away. Alright. Now I want you guys to try this one. Very interesting one, but very simple just the same. So guys, just remember, we're substituting the value. A for the first one. Sometimes they will say respectively. Even if they don't, you know, the first one is A and the second one is B, or whatever letter them give you. It follow the orders, alright? You need to substitute and work the maths. No longer will you leave out that in CSEC or in class test. So Bennett is here, have no fear. So I'm the Superman. Alright, so the next one says same letters, A asterisk B is equal to 2A minus 5B, and we are to find the value of 3 asterisk 2. So it's not very hard. Go ahead and do that. It's the same numbers they use, you know, 2 different years, same numbers. So it's so important to do practice, as it's the same numbers they use the 2 years, 3 and 2. Just brighten it. Next up, we have direct variation. What you guys think about that for the next topic? New subscribers, welcome. Someone said they got -4. So guys, if you guys hate the subject, why you pick it? I don't understand why you guys pick the topic. If you subject, if you hate it. Why do it if you hate it? I don't understand. Why not pick an other subject where you love? Or you guys hate it as you go along? You guys hate for no reason, you know. Alright, so we're gonna do the solution now and then we're gonna proceed. Yeah man, we have to do maths guys. Thank you for that. We have to do maths, right? So all we do is substituting. So the first one is A, so that's 3, and this one is 2. So it will be 2 times A, which is 3, and B is 2. So we'll substitute these and then we'll proceed. 2 times 3, 6. This one is very easy. -5 times 2, -10. So that works out to be -4. Alright, well done. The next part to it says this. Let's see how you guys angle this. 3 asterisk 2. I didn't see this part. How do you guys approach that? And that was from the specimen paper 2010. Oh, they make you pick by a group. Okay, I understand. So it's a package you pick then. Understand? Work out that one now, guys. 3 asterisk 2 bracket asterisk 1. How do you guys approach that and why? 2 minutes. Help me big up Jamaica. Alright, so solution time now. This is very easy compared to how it look. It look very challenging and hard, but it's very easy. Alright. So what it means is that we already calculated A asterisk B to be 3, 2, right? We did this already. So all we have to do, put the answer for A. So this would be -4. So A is now -4, right? And B is 1. So it's as if you're having this, right? And then now we do the same procedure, write down the formula, which is 2A minus 5B. But now A is -4, so we put 2 times -4, and B is 1. So it will be 5 times 1. 2 times that gives us -8. -5 times that gives us -5. So both of them are negative, so we can add them, so that will give us -14. So that would be our answer. Alright? Someone has said +4, someone has said -4. Remember, it's -4, right? We got -4 for that one, so it's -4. I think you guys put +4 in there. So you have to be very careful of the sign, guys. Alright, Javan Barrett says -13. Very good, very good. I put more Javan, big up. We not even hear from me again, bro. What you deal with? Alright, so I want you guys to try this one. Next up, I want to try one more variation. One more binary operation rather. Alright, try one more, that's it. This one says, given A asterisk B is equal to AB minus B over A, and you are to find this, and the word, I use the word evaluate, so I'm going to use the right word, evaluate 4 asterisk 8, and that's the first one, and then now 2 asterisk bracket 4 asterisk 8. So go ahead and do these two. Let's go. Ready, B? Let's go. Me, Victor. Guys, anywhere we stop, we're gonna continue with part 2 later, or so. All be going well. Alright? Alright, so once they get 30, let's see. Alright, so guys, we're gonna take 1 more minute and then we do the solution. Again, guys, you are encouraged to go ahead and try the questions. New subscribers, welcome, welcome. Happy to have you here. Type in the answer when you get for both, guys, not just one, for both of them. Alright. I'm done, I'm gonna eat some of mommy cooking, get some rest, and then later, when it's cooler and everybody can join back. Alright? Mad thing, mad thing. No school tomorrow, no school Monday. Everybody must can join down. Everybody must can find time to do the playback. Explanation butterfly. Someone says 30 is the answer for the first one. Alright, so let's go. So we have A asterisk B equal AB. So that means it's 4 times 8 minus B is, so that's 8 over 2, right? So 4 8 is 32 minus that into that. No, I'm going to put 2 here. So I think that, guys. and then this is equal to 30. So yes guys, you are indeed correct. That is 30. But now we have a different challenge, right? Because if you notice, they turn it around. So this that we just find is 30. So we can put the 30 right here, and then 2 asterisk, right? So then the rule says, and write back the rule so everybody can see, it's AB minus B over A. So now B is 30 and A is 2. So that's 30. No, I write it right here. 2 times 30 minus 30 over 2. So this will be 60 minus that give you 15, and that give you what? 45. So that would be 45. Alright. I'm gonna want to use them to take up now 45. Thanks for the likes, guys. Thanks for the like. So Benito appreciate it. Alright. Chrissy Boo. Right back your answer, Chrissy Boo. Good job, guys. Good job. Chrissy Boo wrote her answer. What are you doing with Chrissy Boo, man? Alright, guys. I'm gonna draw up a little table now. This is another topic that you guys struggle with sometimes. I've done it on my channel many times. You guys can go back, watch the playback and so forth, alright? I'm not charging you $1. I know you guys have to drop this, so I'm gonna give you some more time. Y varies directly to X. So that's the instructions. And it's a calculate A and B. So go ahead and do that one. We can do that one. Two more minutes, guys. I know you'd have taken some time to draw up the table itself. So go ahead and do that one now. And it's find A and B. One more minute, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Hit the like button if you're just joining. Happy to have you here. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. Part 2 coming up. We're gonna go right until we complete the entire syllabus. All right. Alright, so ready now. Time has elapsed. If you can't do it, just watch. You can type in the question that you want to ask and I will address it. Alright, so I'm going to go as slow as possible to accommodate everyone. Alright, so it says that y varies directly to x, and we can write that as y varies directly to x. But if there is some constant k, and it goes right there. So y varies directly to x. Alright, so what we do, we use the first one that we are given, the complete one, right? We have both x and y values, so we can use that and substitute and find the constant k. So that's our first objective before we even attempt these, right? So y would be 12 because it was given, varies. K, we don't know what is k, that's what we're searching for, but we know that x is 2. Right? Let me just write a beta 2. Or we can write 2k. Turn it around, make it look like something what you're used to. So we're finding k now, so we divide both sides by 2. So we know that now 12 divided by 2 is 6. So what we know that there's some constant k which is equal to 6, and then what we can do now is to take this and substitute it. So write it back again. Y varies directly to x. In this case, we didn't get y, so we're going to put a to substitute the value. We'll have some constant k which is 6, so we'll put in that, and then times x, what I was given, which is 5. So therefore 6 times 5 is 30. So what we calculate is that a would be equal to 30. Alright? And then we'll do the same thing for b. Alright? So let's try that for b now. Right back, y varies directly to x. This time we are given x to be 48, so we put in that. We know that some constant is 6, so that's 6k. And put k, 6b, and then we divide by 6. So b is equal to 8. So therefore, our answer would be 8. Very nice question indeed. Alright, let's move on to another question. Some of these are some tables, but they're very hard to draw up, so I'm just gonna ignore those a bit. Alright, so let's go into some diagrams. I know some females don't like these, but nevertheless, we have to do them. They are part of our syllabus, so we have to cover them, alright? let's see if I can draw. I'm going to try my very best. And you say take pi to be 22/7. And this is what they say here to calculate. Let's see who can calculate all of these. The length ABC. So you're going to calculate the length of ABC. Oh, right here, so it's O. Sorry. The perimeter of OABC. Very interesting question. And the area of the sector ABS. Why do you have S and there was no S given? There were no S given, so I'm just gonna say I think they made an error. I'm gonna change it to ABCO. I think they made an error with the writing. It says ABS. There was no S given. So go ahead and do that, guys. Calculate the length of ABC, calculate the perimeter of OAC, and the area of the sector. Thanks for the likes, guys. Can't say you don't understand that. First, I say that topic, guys, you don't need to join my class. I'm serious. You don't have to join my class. After this to, yeah man, it's 3.5. After this to my lower school, so I don't understand why the upper school students would not have done this. What's happening in the schools, man? What's happening? I have to touch everything, you know. For you to get a distinction, this can come. This is a very popular topic. So I'm not sure. I go to school and never feel for write it down. And that, you know, can't blame me teacher or you. Or I'm trying this box because you can't find perimeter unless it join. So there's no one on the live that can attempt this, or I should just go straight in the I Miss James. That's my vice principal, guys. Biggest supporter. Can't blame the maths teacher, guys. You guys sometimes don't do no work. Alright, Butterfly said they're gonna try. Go ahead, Butterfly. Excuse me, I work in a miss. Work. Vice principal is a very hard worker too. Only for documents at the time. I couldn't do it. I admire a lot. I can't manage the organizational stuff and stuff. As I give me a paper, it's like I don't even know where I do with it sometimes. But I'm trying to get organized and so forth. day we get organized like this, you know, game over, you know, man. Game over. Can't say his teacher didn't do half of this stuff. Oh God, hush man, hush. You never go online. Me know, you know. Sometimes I have to teach one person online, and next time 20 comes. Students come when they feel like, because you guys didn't see online as real school, which it actually is, you know. But don't worry, everything is on my channel, so you can definitely check them out, alright? And you can share with your classmate. The length of ABC is 16.5. I do this with my lower school, I do it with my upper school. Pandemic or no pandemic, every topic have to be taught. Alright? That's no excuse. Whether pandemic or not, it's still Cxc sending a challenging exam. So we as teachers, we have to prepare you guys for everything, don't it? Yeah. We can't say, nah, teach a topic, can't hope it don't come. We have to teach it. Alright, we're gonna do solutions in 2 minutes or so. I think I'm gonna do one similar, so you guys can practice. Oh, it's area, miss. Area and perimeter. See them a tell lie. Them do area, miss. I students, them, I not blame the math teacher. Them, every teacher teach area. Alright, so it says calculate the length ABC. So what it wants from us is to calculate this length. Right? And we know that with length is 2 pi r, right? But it's not the entire circle. So what is missing is a portion right here. Let me just show you. Show you guys. I'm just gonna put this in blue. It's part of a circle. So this part here is missing. Right? So what we can do is to just say, alright, if this is 90 degrees, because that's what it's indicating, all of this will be 270. So what we can do is say 2 pi r, and that's how we find the circumference. However, it's not the entire circle. So we're only taking the portion which is 270 degrees. So we say 270 degrees over 360 times 2 pi r. They say take pi to be 22 over 7 times the radius, which is 3.5. So we're going to use up a calculator now. This into this 1, this into this 2. So for this, we get 22. Alright? So the entire something will be 22. But we don't want 22. We want basically 3/4 of it, right? 9 into this 3, 9 into this 4. So what we do, we just find 3/4 of 22. Somebody has said 16 point something, you know. I think that person is correct. Very good, well done, well done. Right? So it's 3/4 of it. Let me see, so 4 into the 2 into that 2, and that 11. So that's 33 over 2, which is 16.5. Very good. Awesome. So all you guys are tell lie on the teacher. I want to get it correct. Apologize to your teacher for me, please. Well done, right? So the length of ABC would be 16.5. Alright, so now they want to see if you have sense. That's the only way we can say. They ask you for this, right? We work out all of this and we get 16.5. And now they ask you for the perimeter of from OABC. So they want this portion too. But we know that all of this are 16.5. But if this is 3.5, this would also be what? Type in that for me. If this is 3.5, what would be the length of AO or OA? Let me see what type it in. Type in that for me. What would be the length of OA? I want to see if you guys understanding it. I don't see nobody type it in. This, both of them are radii, right? So this will be 3.5 also. So all we have to do is just add 6.5 and 3.5 and 3.5. And that's it. That's the perimeter. Total distance around the entire something. Look at a Pac-Man. 5 and 5, 10 and that's 15. 6 and that's 7, 10, 13. So that's 23.5 centimeter. Alright? So that would be the perimeter of OABC. Guys, make sure you are taking notes. If you are watching the playback, make sure you are attempting the questions also. Last year I did a live for 6 hours straight and everything that I did came on the exam except I did not do a statistics part where the group data, that was the only thing that did not come on it. You guys can watch the video if you want and see that I'm not lying. It's like God give me a little energy and say, Mr. Bennett, do these topics. Because that night I just go on and say I'm going to spend an hour. Persons from all over the Caribbean just came on and said, sir, we never did circle theorem, we never did vectors, we never did this. And I just say, all right, I'm going to do everything. And I did everything. All right, Butterfly said the area is 28.88 centimeters square. All right, let us see. One thing with Butterfly, you stay on long, man. You're not soft at all. All right, so guys, we're going to look at the area of the sector. So let's look at that. So we have to know what is the area of a circle in order to can find the area of the sector. What's the area of a circle? I did this with my PEP students. They have to do this too as part of their something. So area is pi r square. Alright? So I say take pi to be 22 over 7. So we have 22 over 7. The radius is 3.5 times 3.5. And then again, only 3/4 of it we are considering, which is the 270 part. So it's the angle over 360 times that, right? This now, I've worked this so many times on my channel. I know this is going to be 38.5 because I've worked it on my channel so many times, alright? Did it with my PEP students, I did it with my regular students, I did it with everybody, alright? So now just multiply 3 times 38.5. I'm going to use my calculator for that. Because when you go exam, you don't want to use your brain and take long. Alright? So that's 3 times 38. I'm just going to do it step by step. 38.5. And that works out to 115. I love show steps, you know. So when somebody sit down, they can go back to their book and they don't need the teacher. That's how I teach. So that's 28.875. And if we round it off as Butterfly did, 28.8. This 5 is greater. It's 5 and greater, so you add 8, so that's centimeters square. Remember, this is area. Well done, Butterfly. Alright? Every topic has to be taught, guys. You have to do all the questions on the paper, so there's no reason why a teacher should not do all the topics. Butterfly say, Chrissy Boo say 23.5. Oh, guys who want to do physics, there's this group that I saw them on Instagram, and many persons were asking me for a physics teacher. They just reach out to me and say that they hosting a marathon on Sunday morning for this subject. And anyone who want to be a part of it can contact. I have the number right here. Just tell them, Mr. Bennett give you. The number is 1876. That's the area code, and the 796-5447. I'm on a live now, and I just indicated to my students about it. Alright, guys, so the number is 1876-796-5547. and that's physics Sunday morning. So if you are doing physics, please reach out, and it's this Sunday morning. I just give you a shout out on my YouTube channel, so persons who are watching. I think about 11 persons are on here. Others will watch it. Alright. So let's look at another one. This one is a little bit different. I'm going to try and draw it as best as possible. So guys, we're going to pick up back exactly where we left off. Alright? I think this one is probably the last one for today at this point now. However, I'm going to pick back up right where I left off. So you guys, if you don't get to join me later, you can just watch the next one. We're going to complete the entire syllabus. And if you have a child that is in grade 10, grade 9, it's an awesome opportunity this also to something there. So learn these things from early. Alright? So I need to make it easier for every maths teacher across the Caribbean, you know, not just Jamaica. A matter of fact, I used to quarrel with the USA, you know, but I'm not quarreling with the USA again. A lot of persons are now watching from the USA, so I appreciate the love. Alright, so it says in the diagram not drawn to scale, O is the center of the circle, yeah. The radius, I'm just gonna put them in. They say radius is 8.5 centimeters. Let me just put it in for you as we go along. It says AB is a chord, so I'm just gonna give you I'm just giving you a shortened version. And that is 14.5 centimeters. So let's say from A to B, let me just put in that. And this is 14.5. They gave us that. Let's say theta is equal to 60 degrees. And you are to calculate the area of the shaded region. So I already shaded it, and then you guys can do it, right? Also, it says find the length of the minor arc AB. So they want the minor arc and the area of the shaded region. Alright? We're gonna eat some dinner, guys. But we're gonna pick it up from right here, alright? So everybody join back. But we're gonna complete this one first, right? Alright guys, so the number for physics is 876-796-5447. So that's 796-5447. And that's for Physics Marathon Sunday. You guys check that out, alright? I'm gonna do a little something. No man, no problem, no problem. One team, you know man, one team, one dream, one team. Kids need it, they need it. I'm gonna have a next slide later, so I'm gonna show people it again. So I'm just gonna put your number on the board, so as anybody joins it, they will see that as a coming. Alright guys, so we're gonna start back with it. We're still gonna do the solution, but I think I'm just gonna start the next next live with the same question. Alright? So it said the radius is 8.5, AB is a chord 14.5, and this angle is 60 degrees. And they ask us to find the area of the shaded region and the minor arc AB. So two things, AB and the shaded portion, which is this. So I'm just gonna rub out all this info now. Hope you guys took it down. And then we're gonna do it. Before we can find the area of the shaded region, we have to find the area of the sector and then the area of the triangle, which is triangle OAB. Alright? And then we subtract. And then we're done. And then we find the minor arc. And then we can eat some dinner, get some rest, and come back later. Alright? I got half class all day tomorrow, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna get to come on. I just hope the students appreciate my effort, you know. Alright, so let's find the area of the shaded region first. And they did say take pi to be 3.14. We've been chatting and we never say that. Alright? So O A B, which is all the way around this, right? Not this, you know, this is the sector. So that's angle over 360 times pi r squared, and that would be 60 over 360 times 3.14 times 8.5 times 8.5. We're just gonna use the calculator and kill that. So it's 1 over 6. So I'm just gonna use the calculator. So it's, let's punch everything in the calculator. So 1 divided by 6, that's 0.16 times 8.5 times 8.5 times 3.14, and that gives us 37.8. So the entire sector is 37.8. Now find the area of the triangle. Now there's a formula that says half AB sine C. Oh, Guyana. Big up from Guyana, man. So, as I said, half AB sine C. So, AB would be this, right? This side is A, and this side C. I need more space. So, that will be 8.5 times 14.5 sine 60. Again, I'm going to go to the calculator. Alright, so that's 8.5. 8.5 times 14.5. That's 123. Now come 123.25 divided by 2 times sin 60. Let me just turn this to get sin 60. I'm going to eat some dinner now, peeps. That's 0.86, right? So now 123.25 divided by 2, 61 times 0.866. Oh, nigga, something not right. I'm so hungry though.